In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the draft envelope in DocuSign. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting familiar with DocuSign, understanding how to efficiently manage your envelopes can streamline your workflow significantly. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide on how to configure your draft envelope settings. To start, you'll want to navigate to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is a leading platform when it comes to electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. If you're a new user, you might find it helpful to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate and click on the Login button. Typically, this is situated in the top right corner of the page. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, ensuring you're not locked out of your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. Here you can view various options related to your DocuSign activities. To proceed with configuring your draft envelope, you'll need to navigate to the admin section. You'll find the admin button generally located on the top navigation bar. Selecting this will redirect you to a page with various administrative options that allow you to manage and customize your DocuSign account. Next, we're focusing on the document retention settings, which are critical in determining how long your documents stay within the system before being archived or deleted. Click on the document retention option. If this is your first time here, you might find it useful to familiarize yourself with other settings available as well. Document retention provides you with the flexibility to customize how long drafts and completed documents are stored, which can be crucial for compliance and organization. Now, let's get to the heart of our task: setting up the envelope retention policy. Click on the envelope retention policy link. This section allows you to define the retention period for your draft envelopes. Depending on your organizational needs, you can adjust the policy to specify how long these drafts should remain in the system before they are automatically deleted or archived. Keeping drafts for an extended period may be beneficial if you frequently need to review or reference unfinished documents, but it's also essential to balance storage management and security. Once you've set your desired retention policy, remember to save your changes. It's always a good practice to review all the changes to ensure everything is configured correctly according to your needs. And there you go. You're all set with your draft envelope settings in DocuSign. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on DocuSign and other productivity tools. Happy signing, P.